Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix WAN error -92. So this is a connection error. So the first thing you should try is just simply restarting your PC and then check if that helps. Once you've restarted the PC, relaunch the Valorant. And if that doesn't help, this is the next step you do. Go to taskbar, open task manager, go to processes and type in here Vanguard. Once you find it here, close it fully. Close this, and then in here, if there's a right client running, exit out of it also. Once you've done that, head over to add or remove programs. Type in search add or remove program, and then first uninstall Vanguard. Click on install, and then uninstall it fully. Once you uninstall the Vanguard, type in Valorant and uninstall it also. And once you've uninstalled it, relaunch the client. And once you're in here, go to Valorant and then install, and then choose a path for it, and then click install and let it download and install. And once it's done installing, it should install right Vanguard again, and then you should restart your PC one more time and then try the game. And lastly, if that doesn't even help, the last thing you can do is head over to search, type in run. Once in run, type in this services.msc, press OK. Once you're in here, click somewhere here, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC. Once you find it, double click on it and make sure this is set to automatic. If it's on manual or any other, just set it to automatic. Click apply. Okay. Once that is done, you simply restart your PC, and then once you're done resetting your PC, relaunch the Valorant and it should work normally. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this helped. Comment down below, like, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.